Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure GitHub Actions for project reporting to Linear step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your GitHub account and navigating to the repository you want to configure. In your repository, click on the Actions tab located at the top of the page. If prompted, click on Set up a workflow yourself to create a new workflow. Delete any default content that appears in the editor. Start by defining the name of your workflow at the top of the YAML file. Use the syntax name, my workflow, where my workflow can be customized as per your preference. Next, specify the trigger for your workflow using the on keyword. For instance, use on push to trigger actions on code pushes to your repository. Now, create a job that contains the steps to perform, using the following structure: jobs. Under jobs, define a job using my_job_name. Include the runs on directive to specify the environment, e.g., runs on Ubuntu latest. Within your job, declare the first step which checks out your repository code using name, checkout code. Add the action to check out the code repository using uses actions/checkout at v2. Now, you need to install the required dependencies for interacting with Linear. Add a new step with name, install dependencies. In this step, use run npm install if your project uses node.js, or the suitable command if using a different language. Next, configure the Linear API interaction. Set up a new step titled name, send report to Linear. In this step, use a command to send the report, such as a curl command or a specific action that you have created. Supply your Linear API key as an environment variable for security. Use the syntax env followed by your API key variable to ensure it's not exposed in the logs. Now, outline the command needed to format your report data correctly before sending it to Linear. You may choose to use a custom script or npm package to format this data. If applicable, define any other parameters that Linear might require. At this stage, verify that your configuration aligns with the Linear API specifications by referencing their documentation. Once you've set the desired steps, enable your workflow by clicking Start Commit in the top right corner. Provide a commit message detailing the purpose of the workflow. Finally, click Commit Changes to save your workflow. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.